Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just the other day, I made a video about making a distressed look. And I said in that video that you could actually make the distressed look for the outline. And somebody questioned that. How would you do that? So I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go and go to arrange and convert this to a curve. And when I do that, I get my line thickness and I'm going to go 24 points. Now I'm going to go to arrange and break the outline to an object. And I'm going to left click, right click. Then we can take our text and put it on our bark that we used. I'm going to select everything and I'm going to go intersect. Now I'm going to go down with that. There is my distress look on the outline only. Now, if I want to move this over and I want to fill it in with that blue I've been using, I can move that over and now I've got a distress look on my item. And now let's look at it on a dark blue shirt or something. Go to arrange, order, back a page, and you see that my distress look is white. So we're going to go right here and we're going to left click no fill. And we've gotten rid of our outline, but we've got a distress look on the shirt itself. So it looks like it's there, and you could, let's look at it without the fill or without the letter itself. And so you've got an outline just around the, so you could have, you could do multiple, well, let's try this. I'm going to move this back. I'm going to nudge this over and I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to rotate. Well, no, I'm going to take this and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and have it the opposite direction. Now I'm not going to move. I'm going to nudge. And then I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to do my intersect tool and I'm going to move it down and of course make it no fill. And it might be hard to kind of see. Well, it is, it's ridiculous, but it's a pretty cool distress look. Let's change the color of that box to like a yellow, make it really pop out. And you can kind of see that it's, the outline's a different shape because it's going the other way, the direction. And you could actually color it in and do a lot with it. Change the color of just part of it by right clicking, left clicking. Let's go over that again. So we got it there. We're going to click on our outline and we're going to make it blue, but then we could actually take away the by right filling and then, or excuse me, left clicking and then right filling the outline. And so it's going to just fill in the outline with blue. That's a pretty cool effect. And if you didn't watch part one, you might be a little bit confused, but you could watch part one and be caught up. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.